Rice cake machine is also called rice biscuit making machine. The raw material for making rice cakes is rice, which is made into crispy and delicious rice cake after high temperature and high pressure. Its footprint is small but productivity is high, can produce 400 to 500 rice cakes per hour. The rice falls into the forming mold from the hopper and the rice expands rapidly under high temperature and high pressure. The rice cakes produced are uniform inside without adding any food additives such as oil and sugar. This is a feedback video from our customers. The raw material can also be miscellaneous grains. Customers from Turkey purchased our machines. Currently, this machine has been sold in many different countries. Thanks for watching. If you are interested in this machine, please contact us.